Here we are, testing out the new Sainsbury's Dashcam. Currently filming in 720p, and there's a lot of reflection off the windscreen, so let's move some of this. The camera's also not in an ideal position, but 20 quid, you know, I don't really think it can go wrong. I've just really come out to let you see what the thing can do. I mean, the camera, I've mounted it just under the mirror. In my book, I think it really needs mounting a little bit lower down, round about where you'd have something like a sat nav. I'm not sure if I'm recording sound at the moment. You can have sound off, but you can set the camera to record in 1 minute, I think 3 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And what it will do, it will record for 10 minutes and then it will start re-recording for another 10 minutes until your memory card's full. And then basically it will start overwriting the beginning of its clip. So there you go, guys, that's a quick look at the new Dashcam that Sainsbury's are selling. I bought mine in the Sainsbury's garage just yesterday. Thanks for watching.